Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video where we dive deep into the upcoming Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Now, before we begin, I want to emphasize that this is not a hate video towards the product. Rather, we aim to provide an honest assessment and shed light on reasons why you might want to hold back on making a purchase. In times like these, it's crucial to ensure that our hard-earned money is spent wisely on products that truly deliver value. That's why it's essential to critically analyze the specs and features of the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, despite the excitement surrounding its release. Thanks to reputable leakers, we already have a glimpse of the phone's design through some intriguing press renders. And now, an insightful report has shed more light on the possible specifications and pricing of the device. Not to mention, we also have additional press images that leave little to the imagination. In this video, we will discuss both the positives and negatives of the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, highlighting aspects that may influence your purchasing decision. It's important to consider all angles before investing in a new device, and we're here to provide you with the information you need. But before we dive in, I kindly request you to support our channel by liking and subscribing if you enjoy the content. Your support motivates us to continue bringing you unbiased reviews and insights. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Design. When examining the renders, it's evident that the design of the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra doesn't deviate significantly from its predecessor. The notable change lies in the secondary display wrapping around the rear cameras, which adds a touch of uniqueness. Additionally, the phone is expected to be offered in three appealing colors: black, blue, and red. However, this aspect of the Razr 40 Ultra's design might not be enough to captivate potential buyers. While the addition of a secondary display integration is intriguing, some consumers may be looking for more substantial improvements in terms of overall design innovation. The lack of substantial design changes could be a factor that deters individuals from investing in the Razr 40 Ultra, especially in a highly competitive market, where fresh and eye-catching designs play a crucial role. Specs. To compete with the Galaxy Flip 4, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra needs to offer more than just an attractive design. According to sources, it seems that Motorola has equipped the Razr 40 Ultra with impressive hardware specifications. It is rumored to feature 8GB or even 12GB of RAM storage options of 256GB or 512GB, providing ample space for storage and smooth multitasking. The processor is expected to be a powerful 3.2 GHz 8-core chipset, possibly the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is the same chipset found in the Galaxy Flip 4. This promises strong performance and efficient usage. In terms of cameras, the Razr 40 Ultra may sport a 32-megapixel primary shooter and a 1-megapixel selfie camera, ensuring decent photography capabilities. The primary display is anticipated to be a 6.7-inch FHD plus POLED panel with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, while the secondary screen is smaller at 3.5 inches with a resolution of 1056 by 1066. Battery-wise, the Razr 40 Ultra is rumored to house a 3800 mAh battery with support for 33 watts charging, as well as wireless charging and reverse wireless charging functionality. While these specifications sound impressive on paper, potential buyers may still have concerns. Despite the powerful hardware, the Razr 40 Ultra needs to demonstrate exceptional real-world performance and optimization to truly compete with its counterparts. Additionally, the availability of higher RAM and storage configurations could impact the overall pricing, potentially deterring some buyers who are seeking more cost-effective options. Price. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is expected to maintain the brand's tradition of premium devices, combining an appealing design with high-performance capabilities and a clamshell form factor. However, this exclusivity comes at a price, and it is anticipated that the Razr 40 Ultra will have a substantial price tag. Based on reports, the Razr 40 Ultra could be priced at around $1,000. While the official pricing is yet to be confirmed, it's worth considering that the Galaxy Flip 4, which shares similar specifications in terms of chipset, RAM, and storage, is priced at $1,060 for the 256GB variant. Given these factors, a $1,000 price range for the Razr 40 Ultra seems highly likely. The premium price point can potentially deter potential buyers who are seeking more affordable alternatives or value-oriented purchases. The foldable market remains niche, and consumers may have reservations about investing a significant amount in a device that offers a specific form factor without delivering significant additional benefits. Ultimately, buyers must carefully evaluate the Razr 40 Ultra's overall value proposition, weighing its unique features, design, and performance against its premium price to determine if it aligns with their personal preferences and budget. And that's a wrap on today's video, where we delved into the latest information about the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. We explored its design, powerful specifications, and potential price tag. Now it's time to hear from you, the audience. What are your thoughts on the Razr 40 Ultra? Does it seem like a device you would consider purchasing? As always, we appreciate your support, so please leave a like and subscribe to our channel before you go. By doing so, you won't miss out on our future content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.